Dancehall Queen Bumpa was laid to rest today. Now today is April 5th, 2020, and I know it might come as a surprise to some of us that wasn't following the story after a while, right? But I kept in touch with people who know the family, and I knew that today was going to be the funeral. Now with the coronavirus thing going, I know that a whole heap of people now go attend the funeral and cannot attend the funeral. But nevertheless though, she still look like she got in style, and we have a small clip I'm going for sure on that. Alright, so take a look at this.
Pass the phone, pass the phone. When you pass the phone, hey, only baby, only baby.
Yeah, people, so I just want to take this moment to send my deepest condolences to the family of Dancehall Queen Bumpa. You know, she have her sister them, and she have her mom said we, and she have 2 kids, you know. So just, it's kind of unfortunate, people, that the funeral would happen in a time when the coronavirus are going, you know what I mean? Because I know that this funeral will be well attended, because she have her good up friend them, you know what I mean, and our good people, and people would just would go in general would just want for just, you know, support. I believe, because from what I see, she was a good person, and you know what I mean, she would follow Dancehall IG, you know, people. I'm proud of that. You see me, I say, she used to follow Dancehall IG on Facebook. I'm going to go up on her Facebook page and I see that. So big her up for that said way, you know what I mean, so I have to represent for her. I could have got the funeral, I'm not even that close to where the funeral there, but, you know what I mean, I'm glad for sister she laid to rest, and them go all out, you know what I mean, her coffee look pretty, she look well dressed and all these things. So big up our family for that. You know what I mean? So, more I want to get into the comment section. More I want to say, you know, RIPs, you know, condolences. Dancehall Queen Bumpa gone but not forgotten. You know, this happened from January. I did a couple videos on it. So, if you are new to the channel, or you're just new to the story overall, and you don't know exactly what going on, and you just find this video, you can also go back on any of my channels, including the YouTube channel and our Dancehall IG viral, or maybe on the Instagram channel also, and you could follow up the story, or you could just ask me and I will find it for you, right? So again, just please get in the comment section, send your RIPs, send your condolences, you know what I mean, and just big up Bumpa overall for me, please and thanks. Alright, and if it's your first time on this page and you haven't like or follow, please like and follow this page for daily updates. Thank you.